Hello everyone, welcome to Geeta's classes. Today I will explain you HCF and LCM. Now what is HCF? The full form of HCF is the highest common factors and the full form of LCM is the least common multiple. Now first I will explain you HCF. Either you can say HCF or you can say the GCD. GCD means the greatest common divisor. Suppose now we have a number 32. So find the HCF of 32. So we have many patterns to take the HCF of 32, but I will show you how to take the HCF of 32 by prime factorization method. Now how to take by prime factorization method? You have to make one column vertically in this way and you have to write 32 inside it. So now you have to check either 32 goes in which table. So we will start with the smallest table. Always start with the smallest table. So first our smallest number is 2. So 32 goes in the table of 2. How to find? So many children what they are doing now? They are doing the multiplication 2 8 jar, then 2 10 jar. No, that way is wrong. Now you are in higher standard. I took these sums, this topic from the 7th standard book. So no need to do the tables. Now first check. See, our divisor is 2. This is our divisor. And our dividend, the first number check is 3. Matlab, our dividend is bigger than our divisor. If it's single number, you have to compare with the single number only. 3. So in two tables, 3 will go how many times? 1 time. So 2 1 jar 2. So write 1 there. Now 3 minus 2, 1. So we got here 1 to 12. 1 we will take the carry forward. So it becomes 12 now. So 2 6 jar 12. Now again in 2's table 16, 2 8 jar 16, 2 4 jar 8, 2 2 jar 4, 2 1 jar 2. So the factors of 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We can write in this way. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. These are the factors of 32 in a prime factorization way. Okay. Now, suppose we have to compare the two numbers 32 and 24. Find the HCF of 32 and 24. Now you can take in a different way also, as we had took the HCF in a prime factorization method of 32. Now I will take the of 24. So 24 you have to write inside. We will start from a smallest table. So 2. So 2 1 jar 2, 2 2 jar 4. Again 2 6 jar 12, 2 3 jar 6 and 3 1 jar 3. So the factors of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now if we have two numbers and we have to find the HCF, just we are taking the common numbers, common factors. So 2 and 2 is common, so we will make a circle. Again 2 and 2 is common, we will make a circle. Again 2 and 2 is common, so we will make a circle. So the HCF of 32 and 24 is only we will take the common factors. So common factors is 2, 2 and 2. So 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8. So we got our answer. HCF of 32 and 24 is 8. Now what's the difference between HCF and LCM? Suppose the same number you have to find the HCF and LCM of 32 and 24. Now already we had done with HCF, we got 8 answer. Now we have to find the LCM. Now how to find the LCM? There is one formula for LCM. Common factors multiply by uncommon factors. Now common factors are 2, 2, 2. Already we took. We will take here also 2 into 2 into 2. So the remaining factors are uncommon. We have to take that also. The numbers left 2, 2 and 3. We have to write all that numbers. Now you have to multiply. 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 8 2 jar 16, 16 2 jar 32 and 32 2 jar 32 3 jar, 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9, 96. So we got answer 96. So the difference between the HCF and LCM is, in HCF you have to take only common factors, and in LCM you have to take common factors and uncommon factors both. You have to mention the formula also. LCM is equal to common factors multiplied by uncommon factors. So first you have to take the common factors, then you have to take the remaining numbers, the uncommon factors, you have to multiply and you will get the answer. In this way we are taking the HCF and LCM. Now in books we are taking together also. I will show one more example how we are taking. Suppose we have a number, find the HCF and LCM of 8, 12 and 15. Okay. Now again we will check either. Now see, 8, 12 and 15. So I am changing this number because it will not go in the same table. We want the common and the uncommon factors both. If I will take these numbers, now here the HCF is 1. Why here the HCF is 1? Because in 8 tables 12 is not going, 15 is not going. First we will check with the smallest number. Here our smallest number is 8. But in the table of 8, 12 and 15 are not going. So we will check the 8 factors. So factors of 8. Factor of 8 is the 1, 2, 4 and 8 itself. In the table of 8, these two numbers are not going. So we will check with the table of 4. In table of 4 also 12 is going but 15 is not going. So we will check with the table of 2. Again in a table of 2, 12 is going, 15 is not going. So HCF is 1. Directly you can write HCF is 1. In this way also you can find the HCF. And in LCM, in case of LCM, if you have in these types of number, just you have to multiply 8 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 15, you will get answer. Why? Because we are not having any common factors in all these three numbers. So that's why we are taking all the numbers. So directly you can multiply, you will get answer. So in this way you can find the HCF and LCM. Now I am taking common number and I will show you. Suppose now I am taking the number 27 and 15. So find the HCF and LCM. Now both the numbers I am taking together in one column. Okay. So first you have to check. Whenever you are taking together, you have to check that both the numbers, you want a common table for both the numbers 27 and 15. So check with 2. In 2 tables 27 is going not, 15 is going no. Then we will go with 3. In 3's table 27 is going yes, 3 9s are 27, 15 is going yes, 3 5s are 15. So table of 3. So 3 9s are 27, 3 5s are 15. Now we got 9 and 5 here. So in a table of 9, 5 is going no. In a table of 5, 9 is going no. It means these are uncommon numbers. They are not going uncommon factors. So HCF is, here we can write HCF is 3 because we got only one table, one common table here. And LCM, you can first take the common table 3, then into 9 into 5. You have to take all these two numbers also uncommon. You will do the multiple, you will got your answer. So in this way you can find the HCF and LCM. Now many children have confusion how to take the fractions if it comes to the fractions. Suppose in my last video I had shown you how to do the fraction. Suppose we have a number 3 upon 7 plus 2 upon 11. Now these are the unlike fraction. Why unlike fraction? Because in a table of 7, 11 is not going, and in a table of 11, 7 is not going. So you can do this in a simplest way. You have to just multiply these two numbers. So 3 11 char 3 into 11 is 33, right? 33. Then you have to multiply these two numbers. 7 into 14, 7 into 2, sorry, 7 into 2 is 14. Now you have to multiply the denominator. 7 into 11, 7 into 11 is 77. Now you have to multiply 33 into 14. So if you multiply the 33 into 14, sorry, no need to write here multiply, just we have a in between sign plus. So you have to do the plus, not multiply. So in plus we will get answer 47 upon 77. So we got answer 47 upon 77. In this way you have to do the unlike fraction. But if we have a number of like fraction, then you have to take the LCM. So how to take the LCM with like fraction? Suppose we have a number 22 upon 15 plus 6 upon 30. Now in this table, as we know, in 15's table 30 is going. How many times? It's going 2 times. So just you have to multiply this equation with 2. Then it become then our denominator will become same. Suppose we are writing 15 multiplied by 2. If you are doing denominator multiply with 2, you have to do the numerator also. Again 22 multiplied by 2. So our equation became same again. Plus 6 upon 30. Now 22 into 2 is 44 upon 30 plus 6 upon 30. Now our denominator becomes same. So 30 take as a common number. Upper number is 44 plus 6. Now you have to add it. 4 plus 6 is 10. 1, 5, 50 upon 30. Now here you have to go with the reduced form, because we have to check either both these numbers are going in any same table. We want same table for to cancelling the numerator and denominator and go in the reduced form. So just we had seen the number ends with 0. So in numerator also we have 1 0 and denominator also we have 1 0. So you can cancel both the 0. Now the numbers left 5 upon 3. So we got answer 5 upon 3. So in this simplest way you can do the like and unlike fraction also, or you can do with the prime factorization method also. It's very easy. You can do the calculation whatever you want, whatever method, it's easy for you. Now I want to clear one doubt. I had cleared the doubt of HCF and LCM. The prime number, composite number, co-prime number, twin prime number. Now what's the difference between prime number, composite number, co-prime number and twin prime number? The prime number will go in the table of 1 and the number itself. Only in 2 tables the prime number will go, in table of 1 and the number itself. The composite number, what's the meaning of composite number? Composite numbers means it will goes in the table of 1 and the number itself. Besides that, the composite number will goes in other table also. Suppose we have a composite number 24. So 24 will go factor 1 also, 2 also, now 3 also, 4 also, 6, 24. So in many tables 24 number is going. It means it is a composite number. Suppose for prime number example, suppose we have a 5, number 5. Now number 5 is going in the table of 1 and the number itself of 5. So this is a prime number. Now what is a co-prime number? The numbers where we have only one common factor. For example, I am taking number 7 and 11. Now 7 and 11. 7 and 11, 7 will go in a table of 1 and 7, the number itself, and 11 will go in a table of 1 and 11, number itself. In both the numbers, we have only one common number, the 1. So this is a co-prime number. This we can say 7 and 11 is a co-prime number. Not twin prime number. What is twin prime number? Twin prime number is the where we have a difference of two numbers. Suppose now here 7 and 11. Here we have a difference of 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Difference of 4 numbers. So this is not a twin prime number. Suppose we are taking 3 and 5. In 3 and 5 we have a difference of only 2 numbers. So 3, 4, 5. So difference of only 2 numbers. So this is a twin prime number. Or 5 and 7. 5 and 7 again we have a difference of only 2 numbers is 6 and 7. So difference is only 2 numbers. So this is also a twin prime number. Where the twin prime number is a prime number only, but where we have a difference of only 2 numbers, that we say it's a twin prime number. So in this video I had cleared the concept of HCF and LCM. I had taken these numbers from a 7th standard book. So all the boards can refer my video, can go through my video and clear your concept. So the prime number I had cleared, composite number I had cleared, co-prime number, twin prime number, HCF and LCM. Now if you have any doubt, you can share your doubt. If anyone wants to solve any sum, so they can share that sum in a comment box. I will clear the doubt of that particular sum also. And if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.